how to echo your track in Audacity. So what I'm going to do here is use an effect that essentially echoes whatever you have recorded. So I'll go ahead and create a small little sample recording here. So this is voice echoing example with the effect tool for echo. Okay, so I have my audio recording here. Let's go ahead and play that. So this is voice echoing example with the effect tool for echo. Okay, so now we know what it sounds like regular. Let's go ahead, select all. Then from here, once again, go ahead and select on the Effect tab at the top. And then go down until you get to the Echo option. So, basically, when you start here, it'll have a default delay timer of 1 and a decay factor of 0.5. I think waiting an entire second for an echo can sometimes be too long. So what I like to set it to is either 0.1 or 0.2. So I'm going to leave it at 0.2 right here, and the decay factor basically just is how fastly the echo will go away. So right at a 0.5 I think is about good. That's the default. You can of course make it larger so it will last longer. If you make it smaller, the echo of course will go away a lot quicker. So let's go ahead and select on OK. Now we'll go ahead and listen to the track again. So this is voice echoing example with the effect tool for echo. So as you can see there, my voice was echoing. And then of course, one more thing, if you do want, again, to repeat that echo to the rest of the track, you can always select the Control R or repeat echo after you've applied that effect. So that is how you use the echo effect in Audacity.